Number 63, for f of x equals 3x squared plus 14x plus 15. The parabola opens, now they want to know, does it open upward or downward or right or left? Okay? So let's look at this thing. We're looking at 3x squared, and we're thinking about the number in front of the x squared term. That's what we call a. It'd be ax squared. So in this case, a is going to be 3, which is a positive number. So the number in front of the x squared, that's the degree of this equation is 2. Okay, the degree of the ax squared plus bx plus c is 2. So the degree of the 3x squared plus 14x plus 15 is 2. It's the number in front of the x squared that's the big deal here. We don't have to worry about the numbers in front of the x, like the 14 or the 15. They're not really important, because the x squared is really going to take off. The x squared is what's important here. Okay? Now, y then is going to be a positive number for most values of x. It's going to resemble this equation, y equals x squared. Now, if you were to graph y equals x squared, which way does the parabola go? It goes up, doesn't it? Huh? Now, if you had y as a negative x squared, that would say y would go down. Now, why is y going to go up or down? Well, x squared is going to be a positive number. X squared is going to be a positive number. So then y is going to be a positive number. Now, which way when you have y, you're going up or you're going down? All right. So this is going to go up, isn't it? All right. If you'd had a negative 3x squared, it'd be going down, because y would be a negative 3 times some positive number, which would be a negative number. All right. It's the number in front of the x squared that determines whether it's going up or down. All right. So since you had a plus in front of the x squared, it's going to go upward.